Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss for class third man about computer parts. This topic name. This topic name man about computer parts. Class third. Chapter number 3. Previous chapter, every student study man and computer, but today this chapter name man about computer parts. Today I discuss in this chapter first monitor, second keyboard, third mouse, and fourth CPU. This is the four important parts in this computer. First, my dear student, first monitor. What is the monitor? Everybody know that the TV is just like a monitor. This monitor is also called output device. This monitor, first, it is also called output device. Why monitor is called output device? So my dear student, because every student saw the movie, saw the picture, तो just this is the output. यानी this movie is showed at the monitor, so this is the output. This monitor is also known as VDU. VDU. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. First, monitor is also called output device. Second, this monitor is called VDU, Visual Display Unit. Visual Display Unit. And the third point, this monitor is also called the soft output. This monitor is also called soft output. My dear student, first, what is the monitor? The monitor is a output device. This is also called the visual display unit, the VDU, and this monitor is the soft output. Why monitor is the soft output? Suppose this is the monitor. This is the monitor, not a monitor, but this is the monitor, and this monitor I left. This monitor is go to the earth. This monitor is a breakdown. This is a breakdown. So this monitor is also called to the soft output. The monitor, types of monitor. Types of monitor, because the monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, the all of a topic is interconnected class 3 to class 10th, 11th, 12th. But today I discuss the monitor. There are two type of monitor. First monitor LCD, and the second monitor CRT. What is the full form of LCD? The full form of LCD, liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. What is the full form of CRT? CRT full form, cathode ray tube. So there are two type of monitor. First LCD and the second CRT. I hope every student understand कि this is the monitor. The second topic is keyboard. Keyboard. Monitor is a output device. Output device. Why monitor is output device? Because they output in the data. You saw to the picture, this is the output, not to the input. But keyboard is the input device, not to the output device. Keyboard is input device because they put the data and instruction. This is the keyboard. This is the keyboard. And I put the data in the computer, not to the output. So first of all, what is the keyboard? So first, this is a input device. This is a input device. Second, why keyboard is the input device? Because the enter data and instruction, because enter data and instruction. I enter to the data. Third point, there are 100 keyboard. There are the 100 key. There are the 100, more than 100 button. More than 100 buttons present on it. And the fourth point, the standard keyboard 104 key available. The standard keyboard 104 key. This is the keyboard. This is the input device. That why keyboard is the input device? Because the enter data and instruction, more than 100 buttons present on it, and the standard keyboard 104 key. Third point, mouse. Mouse is input device and pointing device. Both answer is right. This is the mouse. Because you any such type of data enter in any place in the computer monitor, then first of all you click to the mouse, then click, and the mouse cursor is blinking in this particular area. So this is the pointing device. First mouse is an input device. First mouse is input device or pointing device. Which is used by pointing, and clicking the objects on the objects on the screen, which is used by pointing and clicking. Suppose this is the monitor and this is the mouse. Suppose I write down to this particular area, the mouse pointer is clicking this place. So this is the pointer. This indicator is always time to the blinking and clicking the object on the screen. There are 2 or 3 buttons available on the mouse. There are 2 or 3 buttons available on mouse. Mouse is the two types of mouse. Types of mouse. There are 2 types of mouse. First type of mouse, optical mouse. Optical mouse, and the second type of mouse, cordless mouse. Cordless mouse. This is the 3 important topic I discuss: monitor, keyboard and the mouse. Monitor is the output device, keyboard is the input device, and mouse is the input device. Tomorrow I again discuss CPU and the another topic. Thank you so much.